Okay, this is the primary site. Now let's open here as administrator, and let's use the site role installation. Let's use this server. Now, as you can see here, we have extra options. In this case, I would say no for most of the things, but I will install distribution point. Then if I'm going to install distribution point, I'm going to enable Pixie or not. In this case, no, let's just install distribution point. Create a DP group. Yes, let's say headquarters. Create a boundary. In this case, let's say yes to see what exactly is going to happen. Add distribution point to the default boundary group. Let's say yes as well. Install fallback status point. Yes. And management point. Yes as well. Then the rest, let's leave as it is, just to see exactly how those things work. I will leave it installing, and meanwhile let me just open here the console just to see exactly how those things are going to work. In the meanwhile, I'm going to pause the video, be right back with you guys. Now we can see here installed fallback status point and perform some extra customization, validation. The measuring point, it took longer to install, but at the end installed, and performed the validation, tested if the measuring point it's working or not. The installed distribution point, then create the IP ranges and so on, add the boundaries and the validation at the end, and also change the log size. Now let's see exactly what it did. If we go here in the site, servers, we have here now distribution point, fallback status points, measurement point. And here in the site, if we go here, client push, installation properties, we have automatically here the fallback status point added. Also here in the hierarchy, boundaries and boundary group, we have IP range here as well. Now this is the new one. Oops. This is the new one here. Different from the first one, we don't use this as assignment. The only one we have this option here for assignment is the headquarters, the one that we perform during the installation. The other one we can use many times. And also here we have distribution point and distribution point group here automatically created. Or in our case we ask it to create, and then we have the site. One other thing that we can notice here on the distribution point, it's on premise, is we are not creating anything on the cloud. Okay, this script is only internal.